Hello viewers, welcome to Preplearn Edu Center. Kindly subscribe to channel and press notification icon for more video updates. In this video, we will know about sectors of economy. We will know primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors definition. We will also discuss concept of organized and unorganized sectors, and many more concepts.
Sectors of the Indian economy. Economic activities are performed by three different sectors. They are the primary, secondary and tertiary sectors. The primary sector is involved in natural products which we get from agriculture, fishing, dairy and forestry. When these natural products are converted to other forms of production through an industrial activity, it is known as the secondary sector. The tertiary sector provides services for the production of goods in the primary and secondary sectors. There are also certain important services such as teaching, medicine, law and information technology which may not directly help in the production of goods. Value of goods and services. Only the final value of goods and services are counted, because the value of final goods includes the value of all the intermediate goods which are used in producing the final good. Gross domestic product. The gross domestic product (GDP) is the value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a particular year. Historical change in sectors. Agricultural production was the predominant activity in the initial stage of development. Most of the people were employed in the primary sector. With the advancement in manufacturing, the secondary sector began to increase the total production and employment level. Gradually, the concentration of technological changes improved the efficiency of production in the tertiary sector. Primary, secondary and tertiary sectors in India. Over the years, there has been a massive growth in the turnover of all sectors of the economy. Therefore, the tertiary sector has been considered one of the largest producing sectors in India. Importance of the tertiary sector. Basic services such as education, health, postal communication, transport and banks are essential in daily life. The development of the primary and secondary sectors has improved the growth of the service sector. Because of an increase in the income level, people demand services such as tourism, shopping and dining. Recently, the services of advanced information and communication have gained more importance. Employment status. The share of the agricultural sector has substantially decreased, and the share of the tertiary sector has grown tremendously. However, the share of employment in these sectors was not in tune with the GDP, and still the agricultural sector is the largest employer. It means that there are more people employed in the agricultural sector than actually required. Even if few agricultural workers stop working, it does not affect the production level. This is known as disguised employment. Creation of employment. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, 2005 NREGA, 2005 is implemented by the central government for guaranteeing 100 days of employment in a year. The government provides money or banks provide loans to farmers to construct wells for irrigation of land.
Underemployment in rural areas can be tackled by creating job opportunities where youth are employed in the construction of dams or in the digging of canals. Farming cooperatives need to provide cheap credit to farmers for improving farming. Identify and locate job opportunities in industries and services in semi-rural areas. Strengthen the functions of education and health industries. Proper planning and support from the government to facilitate services such as IT and tourism. Division of sectors as organized and unorganized. Organized sector. The organized sector includes enterprises or places of work where the terms of employment are regular and work is assured. Companies are compelled to follow the rules and regulations passed under registered acts such as the Factories Act, Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, and Shops and Establishments Act. Workers enjoy the security of employment and are expected to work only for a fixed number of hours. Overtime hours are paid by the employer, and employees receive several other benefits. Unorganized sector. The unorganized sector is small and has scattered units which are mostly out of government control. Jobs are usually with low wages and are often not regular. An employee's job is not secured and there are no provisions for perks and benefits. A farmer needs support through adequate facilities for timely delivery of seeds, agricultural inputs, credit, storage facilities and marketing outlets. Small-scale industries require the government's support for procuring raw material and marketing of output. The casual worker needs protection in rural and urban areas. Public and private sectors in India on the basis of who owns the assets and is accountable for the delivery of services. Economic activities can be classified into public and private sectors. Public sector. In the public sector, the government owns most assets and provides services to the public. Earning profit is not the motive. Some activities which involve large investment can be undertaken only by the government, such as constructing roads, bridges, railways, generating electricity, building ration shops and providing facilities for health and education. In these activities, the government has to support and ensure for everyone. Private sector. In the private sector, the ownership of assets and delivery of services are with individuals or private companies. Earning profit is the main motive. All services provided are to earn revenue.